Sure, here's a recipe for cooking desi-style chicken masala, a flavorful Indian dish. Ingredients: 500 grams chicken pieces, bone-in or boneless, as per preference. 2 large onions, finely chopped. 2 ripe tomatoes, pureed or finely chopped. 3-4 garlic cloves, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2-3 green chilies, finely chopped. Adjust to your spice level. 1/2 cup plain yogurt, curd. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or ghee. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to your spice level. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves, optional but adds a nice flavor. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro, coriander leaves, for garnish. Instructions. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a large mixing bowl, add the chicken pieces, half of the minced garlic, half of the grated ginger, half of the green chilies, yogurt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well, cover, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, or if possible, refrigerate for a few hours to allow the flavors to meld. 2. Heat oil or ghee in a deep, heavy-bottomed pan or pot over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds and let them splutter. 3. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. 4. Add the remaining minced garlic, grated ginger, and chopped green chilies. Sauté for a couple of minutes until the raw smell disappears. 5. Add the pureed or finely chopped tomatoes and cook until the oil separates and the mixture thickens. 6. Add the marinated chicken to the pan along with any marinade left in the bowl. Stir well to coat the chicken with the onion-tomato mixture. 7. Cook the chicken on medium heat, stirring occasionally, until it's cooked through and tender. This might take around 20-25 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken pieces. 8. Add the coriander powder, garam masala, ground black pepper, and kasuri methi, if using. Adjust salt and spice according to your taste. Mix well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. 9. Once the chicken is fully cooked and the gravy has reached your desired consistency, turn off the heat. 10. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves. Your desi-style chicken masala is now ready to be served. Enjoy it with steamed rice, Indian flatbreads, such as naan or roti, or even with plain yogurt on the side to balance the spice level.